Alright guys, we're going to practice what we've been doing in class using the rounding frame to round whole numbers. So I have as my example 27,329. Now the first thing is to realize what place value we're rounding to. In this example we want to round to the nearest tens place. So first thing we want to do is highlight or underline the tens place or the place value we're rounding to. And I know the 2 is in my tens place. Then we want to just simply look to the right of the place value we're rounding. And in this example, the digit to the right of the tens place is a 9. Now we want to think to ourselves and think about the rounding rule. If my digit to the right of the place value is a 0 through 4, we're rounding down. If the digit is a 5 through 9, we're going to round up. So since my digit is a 9, we're going to round this number up. Now, looking at my tens place, I have a 2. We're going to round it up. So we're going to put a +1 above the tens place because we're rounding to the next tens place. And I know 2 plus 1 is 3. So my new tens place is a 3. Now, everything to the left stays the same. So I'm going to bring down my 3 in my hundreds place, my 7 in my thousands place, and a 2 in my 10,000s place. Everything to the right of the place value we're rounding becomes a 0. So my 9 becomes a 0. So 27,329 rounded to the nearest 10 is 27,330. Now let's take a look at my second example. We have 681,495. And we want to round this to the nearest thousands place. The nearest thousands place. So we're going to underline the place value we're rounding, and again, look to the digit to the right. The digit to the right is a 4. This tells us if we're going to round up or if we're going to round down. Now, since my digit is a 4, we're going to round down. Okay, now the difference about this is if we round down, we just want to simply drop down the place value we're rounding to. It stays the same. It does not change. So I'm just going to drop down my 1 in the thousands place. Now again, everything to the left stays the same. So I'll bring down my 8, and I'll bring down my 6. The digit we circled, and everything to the right of the place value rounding becomes a 0. So my 4 becomes a 0, my 9 becomes a 0, and my 5 becomes a 0. Therefore, 6,081,495 rounded to the nearest thousands place is 681,000. Guys, that's the rounding frame. Now, I have a few for you to practice by yourself. Take out your calculator, we can practice it in the class. I know you guys can do it. Go for it.